What's up guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to talk about web development. Before that, please subscribe my YouTube channel and hit the bell icon so you'll never miss an update. First of all, let's discuss what is web development and what is it used for. Web development is the building and support of websites. It is the work that happens behind the scenes to form an online site look awesome, work fast, and perform well with a consistent client involvement. Web development is the largest growing computer science field worldwide. Different developers represent this field by different computer languages depending on their field of work. Web development is the work involved in developing a website for the Internet, World Wide Web, or an intranet private network. Web development can range from developing a simple single static page of plain text to complex web applications, electronic businesses, and social network services. Having a brief information about web development, a web developer is one who develops websites, web applications, and more. Many web developers are responsible for websites' performance and capacity as well. Web development skills are in high demand worldwide and well paid too. To work as a web developer, one does not need any traditional university degree. A web developer can work with different international organizations and earn a lot of money. There are three types of web developers: front-end developers, back-end developers, and full-stack developers, which will be explained later. Why should we choose web development? First, web developers are flexible. Web development industry offers flexibility. A web developer can work part-time as a freelancer to do a side hustle, or can work full-time and earn a lot of money. Web developers earn great living. In US, a fresh web developer can make approximately $60K a year. A senior web developer can make from $79K to $86K a year with different work bonuses. Third, web developers are in demand, meaning that there are a lot of opportunities around the globe for web developers. Web developers can be freelancers or can work physically in an organization. Another plus point of web development is that web developers can work from anywhere. If you are a web developer, you can work from home part-time, or you can work in an organization full-time. If you are interested in web development and you want to work as a web developer in front-end or back-end, or as a full-stack web developer, please subscribe my channel. I will be uploading a full course on how to be a full stack developer. That's all for this video. Please like, share, and subscribe.